Yes, we are a personnel management, personnel admin, payroll database admin. Personnel admin, payroll data, basic pay. Basic pay. And what we have then after basic pay, we've already done this part and wage types. Now, these are important implementation parts, configuration parts. And copy. Okay, copy. Continue. Repeat M002, copy wage type CWT. Wage type starts at 336, increase at step 1. Okay. Auto assignment of CWT type. Repeat, copy wage type. M02. Okay. M02, we'll have to search for it. Now, wage type group is basic pay 0008. Okay, this is the info type. And we'll just scroll down. Okay, now this is basic pay for target group, pay scale salary for best way, and M01, M02. Select it, copy wage type. Okay, now wage type starts at 336, increase at step 1. Okay, just a second. If I go up, Benetton, it's already there, 3369. Okay, and we can copy it from here then. Okay, click copy again. Check wage type group, basic pay, wage type 66963366. Okay, we don't need copies, Bri. And just a second. Till wage type catalog. Wage type 66963366, 3369. Wage type long text. Okay. Check wage type group, basic pay. Okay, we've already checked that. PS salary, save. Check wage type text. Okay. Benetton. V3. V369. Oh. Check entry permissibility info type.